it's a mixed feeling. So it's been a long year, it's been a good year, and I'm glad it's culminating today.
Not completely sinking in that the fellowship is about to get over. I'm sure it's going to hit me pretty soon.
This is a very emotional moment for us because this is now the 5th batch of the Young India Fellowship, and the 5th batch is always a milestone.
Saying adieu to any batch is always a very poignant moment. So one does it with a lump in one's throat.
I'm looking forward to the convocation, and I wish probably I could just stay here for some more time.
I would like to acknowledge the 193 Young India Fellows class of 2016 who have dedicated a year of their lives to learn from their faculty, peers, guest speakers and mentors.
I would request our chief guest to hand over the awards to the two YF scholars.
It was a great experience meeting different people, learning different things and getting exposed to new ideas. And I feel very confident now when I'm going into the real world.
It's just that you really have to come here and immerse yourself in the experience, and you will make it your own.
I would like to add that as you leave Ashoka, you will also be the best of the world and for the world.
Anu Prasad, who has led the program for the last 5 years,
Anu Prasad and this fellowship have always been synonymous. Anu came to bail us out and she plunged right into it, and from that day onwards she has made this fellowship her life.
I've studied in a lot of colleges, but never have I seen any head of an institution being so involved with students especially.
She has been a motherly figure for all of us, who has really nurtured us, taken care of us. So I would say I would really miss her.
I will always remember her for that.
Thank you, Anu, for everything that you've done and for the amazing, amazing commitment that you have shown, going well beyond the call of duty for this program.
I truly, genuinely love you.
We'll really miss you, Anu.
Graduating as alumni now, and there's a lot to be done. So as for the fellowship, it will continue, but in different spheres.
Good liberal arts foundation is something that money cannot buy you later. You have to get it at a certain stage of your life, and it sets the base for you, I think.
I think it's affirmed what I've always wanted to do very strongly. I think I'm just going to go out and be a little bit more brave about doing what I want to do.
Yeah, the fellowship never ends. We continue to be in touch and inspire the batches ahead.
I think your transformation as leaders and human beings is just starting, and you will see more and more of how you change and how you change the world as you go forward.
Keep coming back to the fellowship and continue to grow.
Just carry the torch of learning, of curiosity, of kinship, of bond, of fellowship. Just carry the bond.